So hey to all my subscribers, today I am going to show you like how I used to write the questions which were wrong in my test, my sample papers. Like definitely all students have so much confusion, like whether we should make different copies or we should write entire question with options or not, right? So I'm going to clear it all of your confusions in this video. See, here in first page I had done some of the MCQs and I wrote a para of Miller-Urey experiment, which is important. And in second page you can see how I used to do. I'm telling you, okay. In here I had solved some of the organic chemistry reactions. In the same next page I had solved some, and this is the notice writing format of English. Like I'm this my notebook is of class 12th boards, okay. So see, here even I had some done organic reactions. Again here, like whatever is necessary I used to write here. Like aldehyde ketone has alpha H and is treated with dilute bases like BaOH whole twice NaOH. I used to write such kind of equations in my notebook. And we all are definitely we are known of this thing, that which part is of bio, organic, inorganic. So you don't need to make any other book, separate book. Like here I had written those biology MCC. What it means is mega mother cell 2 and triploid endosperm I had written here, right? So here I had written something about that Hindi feature and beat reporting we used to study right here. So here I had written one formula, normality is equal to molarity into basicity. So this is how I used to study. And right here I had written atoms PYQ and I had written some of the questions which were wrong by me. So whenever I was solving any sample paper and my any questions went wrong of that particular chapter, I used to write there, and this one page is donated for that particular chapter. Here I had written some of the questions of that physics also. And this is H2O2 fuel cell. I had written about it. These are the biology important answers. Whenever any questions of biology is missed by me, then I used to write here it. And there are so many MCQs which I had done in my sample paper. And here I had written one point, like organic chemistry we used to tend to forget the things, so I used to write it in making blogs here. So whenever you will open your mistake notebook, you will see those points, right? I used to the way I used to do. I would suggest you don't go for a number of books and notebooks, right? See here I had done reactions which I write there. This is part of biology, afferent vessels, cortex, medulla. I had written here. No separate space, no blocks and nothing. Here I had written everything about the divisions which are seen in meiosis 1 prophase. Actually you guys must be wondering that in class 12 where this cell cycle and cell division came. So it is you will need this point or this chapter when you are doing your biology practicals. So in biology practicals you may need this, because there is a practical of onion practical which I had written in my notebook. I will show you. Keep this video watching till the end. So here I had done some physics numericals. Here I had begun all the PYQs of physics. If you guys want this PDF, I will provide you, because the PYQs which are written here are so important. And yeah, this is a page of physical education. This is a chapter where like majority of students face problem in drawing fixtures and all. So I completed this chapter in just 2 pages. You can see this one page and this one and this. So it's totally 2 pages, right? Hardly 2 pages it's. And here I wrote something about knockout, double league and all that. I, I just wrote the formulas, and you will be able to solve all the questions just by reading these 2 pages, right? And these are all PYQs going on of physics. See, all PYQs like nuclei, every chapter, all PYQs are here. And this is important. If you want, you can let me know. And here like I had written some important things like body diagonal formula is a under root 2, right? If turn then distance and displacement will be different. I used to write things very shortly in my mistake notebook. Here are some assumptions of, or you can study it in physical education, right? So this is the way I am showing you this notebook. I found it, so I thought why not to share with you all. And here is the things which I wrote. It is related to you when you will do the experiment with prism, so you will need that. This is again experiment. I told you that in a 12th viva experiments and all, you will also get good amount of knowledge. Here I told you that onion experiment I wrote so in so small font I wrote here. Like you have to add HCl in the watch glass, then you have to heat, then you have to add acetocarmine in that watch glass, and extra HCl you have to remove. Everything I wrote in small block I wrote. So here I also wrote the coordination compound chapter, where you have to know what is tetrahedral and its hybridization I wrote here. So this is the way you have to do, and yeah, trust me, it will save you a lot of time. This is the last page of this copy, so that's why here a number of solving or rough calculations I had done here. So yeah, that was it. I hope majority of you guys get to know that how you have to do and make your rough notebook or the mistake notebook, right? Thank you.